Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cross out text or strike through text in Google Docs. But what is the goal of this editing anyway? Well, this is very useful to cross out something like to-do list, or you want to indicate outdated information, or you just want to use it for brainstorming ideas. And the benefit of using this editing technique is that you can track some changes without losing the original text. So let me show you how you can do that in your Google Docs document. Okay, I have the same text here, and if I want to add strike through or cross out text, I'm going to select the text. You can select the entire paragraph, or you can just select an individual text. That's totally possible. Let's try crossing out this text. After that, go to the format menu, click text, and then select strike through. You might also use a keyboard shortcut Alt+Shift+5 for Windows and Command+Shift+X for Mac. And now the text has been crossed out. And that's essentially how to cross out text in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.